void.
Nah, it ain't a void. It's a dive bomber.
No, it's Super Rabbit.
By your powers combined, I am Captain Planet!
It's the Captain Planet! With power level up, Planet!
Speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. Able...
Faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. More spectacular than a rocket launch. Wilder than science fiction. Sexier than Playboy. Able to leap tall buildings in a single bound.
After you, teammate. Why is it that we have to stare at your navel all day? Put a shirt on. Oh, right. Because we all love looking at those kumquats on your mall kiosk t-shirt. At least I have hair. Your afro is so big, it has its own gravity. Oh, I'll give you gravity. Where'd they go?
Not there. Way up there.
Uh-oh. Ha! Bet you're not laughing at my hair now.
Well, I guess you showed her, and by her, I mean the entire viewing audience. Okay. You don't gotta get my dungarees all dusty. Looks like the teams are still tied at 3 apiece. To the next challenge for the tiebreaker, cowpokes.
Somebody better get me down now. Hello? Anyone?
Able to leap the tallest building. Bugs Bunny, the Super Rabbit, the Rabbit of Tomorrow.
Choked with smog. Also, everything out...
Wow! That was amazing, Captain Planet! You saved the day again! I'm sure glad that everything is okay and back to normal.
That's not exactly true, Kale.
It isn't?
I've only gotten rid of the mess around the plaza. The air is still choked with smog. Also, everything outside of the parking lot is still underwater.
Golly, can't you just, go around the world and suck up the smog like you did here at the plaza?
It's not as simple as that, Kale. Even if I sucked up all the smog, climate change is permanent. The Planeteers and I tried to fight it ourselves many years ago. But things just got worse and worse.
Wow.
We are sorry to break this to you, Kale, but the Earth is in serious danger. Saving the planet is no longer an option that we can choose to ignore.
Kwame's right. If we don't save the Earth while we still can, all life on this planet could perish.
What's up, Doc?
What caused this extraordinary metamorphosis of a timid woodland creature into the super dynamic Rabbit of Tomorrow?